if you're new, subscribe, and as you see in the title, we're making banana cake. I'm gonna make some pajamas. Yeah, I said that because I had pajama day today.
5 hours later.
So, these are the dry ingredients. So this is flour, this is baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So first we put in the flour, and also my mom's doing this recipe. I just doing this because I want to. So put this. It smells like cinnamon donuts. Now we're gonna start on our wet ingredients. First, you beat the butter. And then you stop and add a bit of sugar. My mom mixed it. This is white and brown sugar. I think you add like this much. This much. Now you add 3 eggs and vanilla essence, whatever. Yay! Oh! And we mix. And also, if you're realizing this guy on my nose, I was pushing a friend. Well, he wasn't basically my friend. He was on the swing. We were pushing him, and I was too close. That I hit my nose, went under it, and then this eye, I don't know why, was crying. I don't know why. I was crawling to my dad. He was right next to me. He was saying that I'm alright, but I was actually not. For some reason. Anyways, yeah. We're also gonna add some buttermilk. I don't know what that is. My mom just told me to say it. So I do not like vinegar. And that smells so bad. Gonna push that away. Gonna add all of the buttermilk and yay! How much in there? Oh, put that away because I don't like vinegar. First of all, and this is salmon words. That's what my culture is. Salmon. Add the dry ingredients, so wet ingredients, a little bit. I mean, a little bit. I think we put a little bit of this. Okay. Mix it in. About to pow. Good. Okay. Now more. Then we mix again. I keep mixing. I'm gonna add my bananas. Now use your spatula to your batter into the thing, into the pan. Okay. Our pan might be a little bit small, but this is what we could fit. Bit too much. I'm blaming it on you, Mom. I'm blaming it on you. Keep helping me.
Okay.
And done. Wow. I can't believe that magic trick worked.